Hello everyone, welcome to Nidarshana Saris. You all know we are doing our Expo 2 in Jayanagar second block in Chandrasagara Kalyana Mandapa near to Ashoka Pillar. Just save the dates, it's March 21, 22 and 23. That's nothing but coming week, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We have very short span of time. So I'm trying my level best to showcase you the saris. What are the new saris I'm gonna take for this Expo 2? And that's one of the pretty design in satin silk. It's one of the premium sari. We have 100 pieces ready in all the colors. We have almost 8 to 9 colors available in this catalog. In this catalog, I'm gonna drape one of the color. Please guess the color. What would be the color I'm gonna drape in this expo? Okay, that's very pretty sari, half and half concept. A beautiful ajrak pattern has been followed. That's how the complete sari looks. It's a very beautiful sari. And that's the pallu. And that's the matching blouse piece for this sari. And one more pretty color in this, it's a Rani pink in this catalog. We have black with maroon, red with black, and a biscuit color with black color. You can see here a lot of colors are available here. You can see there is one more pretty shade, rust color with the black color. It's a very trendy color we are introducing in this catalog. It's a very beautiful color combination available in this catalog. One more new design, that's the beautiful Georgette sari with a beautiful zari butta concept as well as digital prints. Again, lot of colors available in this sari. We have one more pattern, again like multiples available. You can see here multiples are available in this sari. So minimum each color 50 pieces are available. This is the new catalog I'm bringing for Expo 2. Let me show you one sari in this. It's a beautiful silk catalog. It's a cotton blended with the silk. Absolutely comfortable to wear for this summer. Very beautiful sari. At the same time, it is a kind of semi-functional wear kind of sari it is. That's how the complete sari looks. Again, 4 to 5 colors available in this catalog. One more add-on. That's the beautiful Kota cotton. Very beautiful material for this summer. You will get this beautiful pita work as well as a kind of gota patti work has been done. Very beautiful sari. I'll open this sari. That's the Kota. Okay, that's how the complete sari looks. When you drape the sari, this work comes on your upper side. Okay, with the zari border concept. Beautiful pallu, matching blouse piece. One more beautiful Banaras silk sari. This is also new addition for the Expo 2. You might have not seen in the Expo 1. So these are the collection I'm getting for Expo 2. Definitely 100% you may not seen in Expo 1. Okay, I'm opening one of the sari here. So we have again lot of sets available in this catalog also. This is especially for the people who would love to wear functional wear kind of saris. Okay, jal kind of weaving with a zari concept. One more beautiful sari in a Georgette, complete sequence body with a zari concept. Lot of dark color shades available in this catalog. You can see. Actually, we have tagged the sari. That's why you can see a crumbled kind of thing. Otherwise, the sari is very beautiful and very premium. These saris are. A dark pink. We have mustard, green, red, half white, and pista green. Lot of colors available in this catalog as well. Okay, that's how the complete sari looks. One more beautiful Georgette sari. The completely foil prints and zari. And I'm zooming the camera. You can see here. Zari, a completely colorful zari has been done, and that's the foil print concept. Again, a glitter foil print has come along with the digital print. That's the beautiful sari, and this sari is priced at just 1199. And again, there is a announcement. Again, you will be getting 10% discount, flat 10% discount on all the saris. So this is Yugadi special expo we are making. So that's why we are giving flat 10% discount on all the saris. Okay, that's how the complete sari looks. Again, in Georgette, last time we have brought more than 50 designs in Georgette, especially in Georgette category, budget category. So this time also, no doubt, you can see minimum 50 plus varieties in Georgette category. Everything is different designs, not the same design what you have seen in Expo 1. Definitely whoever attended Expo 1, Please do come and visit. So you will get an idea. Like, yes, you are 100% right, ma'am. Expo 1 is different and Expo 2 is entirely the different set of collection we are seeing here. Karke, you itself going to tell me. We have different types of linen cotton variety also available in Expo 2. So few of the designs I'm showcasing here. That's one of the designs, a beautiful floral print with the silver zari concept. Price of the saree is just 599. One more pattern like this. The price is just 599. Again, you will be getting 10% discount on all the sarees, no doubt. This is one more catalog. So one more catalog in pastel. So like this, we have a lot of designs available in linen cotton sarees. One more premium saree in tissue. It's a gold tissue saree, completely a premium saree. Okay, and the complete saree will be like this. Gold and silver stripes all over the body. Beautiful hand work has been done on the saree. Gota patti thread work has been done on the complete saree. One more pretty design in georgette. So these are all new patterns. You may not seen in Expo 1. Center print is quite famous in recent days. This is one of the pattern. Both the sides you will get this checks, big checks pattern with the zari concept, and a sprinkle kind of shibori kind of concept has been followed, and that's the beautiful floral concept on the middle. Munga linen cotton. We are coming with lot of designs this time as well. So these are new patterns in Munga linen. We have budget sarees in sequence concept. The complete saree has beautiful bandage print, zari border, as well as you can see a stitches kind of concept on the saree, and that's the sequence work on the complete saree. And this saree is priced at just 699. Again, 10% discount on all the sarees. Viscose cotton I have introduced in Expo 1. That was a wonderful response saree, and the same viscose cotton saree we are going to introduce with the sequence pattern. It's a complete body has beautiful thread work as well as sequence, and then zari border concept. It's a beautiful saree. Again, new patterns are coming for Expo 2. One more beautiful saree in georgette, but you can feel this saree as like a tussle saree. A kind of gripness is there in the saree. Very beautiful fabric it is. Personally, I liked it. So this saree has beautiful digital prints all over the body. That's how the complete saree looks. A tussar kind of look is giving this saree. Very beautiful it is. With the zari concept again, and beautiful pallu. And that's the matching blouse piece. This saree is priced at 1099. Again, 10% discount on this beautiful georgette saree. One more budget saree, and Dola fabric, and the price is 949. It's a very premium saree. It's a kind of crepe blended saree it is. You feel like a crepe material. Okay. So like this, so many catalogs are available in Expo 2. One more beautiful georgette saree, complete digital prints with the zari border concept. 699 range mein one of the beautiful saree, and I picked one of the beautiful color in this. It's beautiful Rani with the green color. You can see silver checks all over the body and negative kind of prints all over the body it is coming, and that's the beautiful printed concept on the lower side as well as zari. It's a beautiful saree again. Lot of colors available in this saree as well. One more saree in budget, all over the body checks, zari checks pattern, and the zari border. One more saree in budget with the sequence, and this saree is priced at just 799. Again, 10% discount on all the sarees. We have viscose cotton. One more beautiful fabric in a ajrak style with the thread weaving concept. It's a zari-less saree. Budget saree, you all know, semi crepe silk saree, and this saree is just 599. It's very reasonable price saree. It's a dual shaded concept. A lot of colors available in this catalog as well. We have one more pattern in crepe silk. One more budget saree. It's a crepe blended with the dola. Very The material is little glossy and a georgette kind. Again, lot of party wear sarees also available. I am unable to showcase all the sarees because only 4 days left for the expo. So continuously the packing work is going on. So I don't want to disturb them. I'll show few of the sarees from party wear. And this is one of the design. So it's a georgette fabric with a complete zari work and stone work concept along with the cut work. And the speciality of the saree is blouse piece. Very grand blouse piece for the saree. Kardana work, moti work and sequence work has been done on this blouse. It's a beautiful saree. And yes, the price of the saree is 1299. Again 10% discount on all these sarees. One more party wear. It's a kind of paper silk. Very lightweight, easy to carry kind. And this saree has complete moti work and kardana work, and you can see crisscross kind of pattern has been followed, okay, with a sequence concept. Again, lot of pastel colors available in this catalog. This saree is priced at 2799. Again 10% flat discount. One more beautiful saree with the cut work concept. One of the beautiful saree. Okay, so last saree I'll show you. Again, a budget saree I'll show you. So I'll try to give few more videos before expo, so you'll get an idea what all the new collection available in expo 2. So this is one of the beautiful saree. A thread embossed pattern has been followed on the entire saree along with the digital prints and then zari border. Beautiful saree it is. Okay, these are the saree you can find it in expo 2, that is by March 21, 22 and 23, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Please save the dates and please save the venue as well. I'll try to come up with the next episodes if possible, because the time is not sufficient for me. That's all for this is episode 1 I am taking, and stay tuned for the next episode videos. Thank you so much.